Hi, I'm Eve and I'm from Australia. The company I'm working with is an NGO called Familias Forever. They provide programs for self-sustainability for families to earn extra income. My role with Familias Forever is mainly translating documents from Spanish to English, and I've also researched grant opportunities and funding opportunities for the NGO, and quite often we go out and meet families in the field, which is my favourite part of the job because I get to see how people live and what they do. I do believe that this experience will help me in the future with landing other jobs, as people that have experienced life in South America are not exactly abundant in Australia since it's so far away, and I really think this will look great on my resume and it'll be a really good experience to talk about. So my accommodation with Wendy was amazing. She provided everything we needed, and she even showed us some of the local foods. So I tried tamales for the first time with Wendy and I loved them and I know that I'm going to miss her food when I'm gone. I've also made my best friend in that house, so I'm extremely happy with the accommodation here.